In this video, we are showing how to create, edit and delete subscription orders. A subscription order is a carefree solution to ensure that you always have the products you need and is ideal if you want to have certain products delivered on a regular basis. To create your subscription order, add the items to your basket as you normally would. When you have finished adding all of your items, scroll down the basket page and rather than clicking Proceed to Checkout, instead click the Subscription Order tab. By default, your subscription will start from the next week and will also place an order as normal. In this area, you can select how often you wish to receive this subscription order, and you can also name the order so you can easily find it later. When you're ready to order, tick the box and click the Order Now button. Next, fill out your delivery and payment information as normal and click the Send Order button. To edit or delete an order, hover over My Würth, click Functions and then click Subscriptions. On this page, you will see all of your current outstanding subscription orders. Click the pencil icon on the order to add or remove products, or click the bin icon to cancel the order. If you wish to cancel more than one order at a time, you can check the box on the left of all of the orders you wish to remove, and then click Delete Selected Subscriptions. If you wish to change the quantities of the items in your order, click the pencil icon and edit the items at the bottom of the page. You can also add items to your order from here by entering the product number in the Fast Entry box. It may take up to 3 working days for any changes to take effect, so please bear this in mind when amending or cancelling any orders. There is no cancellation period or additional charges for using the Würth subscription service, so why not give it a try? For any further information or inquiries, please contact the customer services team.